So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube space number one stop for entertainment and trending news. And now guys, guess what? The self-proclaimed chairman for gospel musicians, Ringtone Apoko, has left gospel music to do love songs. And guys, as you all know that Ringtone has been very dramatic. There is another time recently he carried a placard to JCC church looking for a woman, and not just a woman, a woman who is saved. And guys, this is what Ringtone wrote on his Instagram. And so let's read together. I'm quiet, gospel music now sorry at my fans. I'm post reasoning why tomorrow. But this sijuangi kama huyu msee anakuwaga ukweli ajui kizungu ama ni just some kind of a way of being unique. But anyway, that is what Ringtone wrote on his Instagram page yesterday. And now today, I want you guys to listen to this video that he just put the reasons, giving the reasons as why he's actually leaving the gospel industry. And one of the many reasons he's saying that anataka kufanya love song. So guys, I just look at this.
Nataka kuchukua hii nafasi kuthank wale watu ambao wote wamenisupport kwa gospel music. Hii nimekuwa nikiimba for this time na sasa imefika mwisho. Nimeamua nianze kuimba ma love songs. So naomba muendelee kunisupport, na wale wasanii ambao wanaimba ma love songs naomba nione kama competition, msifeel threatened. To work pamoja ndio tuweze kufikisha muziki mahali nafaa kufika. So bye bye gospel industry. And so wasanii kama kina Mochishot Baba, wasanii kama Guardian Angel, nataka watu wote wale ambao wako kwa gospel, wakina Mashmwana, hizo magroup zote, nataka kuambia asante kwa ile support mlinisupport nikiwa chairman wenyu, na sasa hii nimetoka. Mbarikiwe.
And of course, guys, you know my country people are never late. They flooded into the comment section and showered Ringtone with some of the comments that I want us to read together. So Wakajazi said, kata simu, tupo site. Don't like disturbance of the head. You understand? Chizowizo amecheka too. DJ Zayn was waiting for this good news. Tack Voices, we unaweza imba love songs na hiyo English yako hata haiwezi kuwa romantic, ama imba tu Kisii. If cloud chasing was a person. Feli amecheka tu. King Jared Drock, kwa love songs hakuna viti chairman. Big up star. Toa hiyo ngoma haraka haraka, mambo ni mengi, masaa ni chache. So guys, those are just some of the crazy comments from Kenyans, and let's read a couple more and then we just call it a day for today. Helena Phoebe also says, umewatag kabisa kabisa ghafla, mpasho mambo ni mengi, masaa ndio machache, nimecheka kama fala. Next utasema unataka politics, scrub uso msanii. Oh my goodness. Umeona kwenye poze waliruka kuna pesa. So another fan says, you is lie. Another embarambamba in the making. Another one says, sasa unatuambia nini Christina? Sasa utaambia nini Christina Shusho ama ni cloud chasing? Young bloody, mbona sasa nacheka? Hii speech ni humble, ati wasifeel threatened. Unataka kutoka gospel na ume improve kuspell breaking news in capital. How bro? Wow, okay, just those are some of the comments that Kenyans are hilariously commenting. And you guys just let me know what you think about Ringtone quitting gospel music. Do you think it's cloud chasing, or do you think he's really done that like for real? Because we have seen the likes of Kina Bahati, Kina Willy Pose, crossing over to the other side. And thank you so much for coming by every time to watch my videos. I promise I will see you in my next one, inshallah. Bye bye.